Oxypure. Oxypure is an oxygen-based colon cleanser. It works as a cleanser that will help you detoxify from your large intestine without the side effects caused by laxatives, which cause you to feel bloated and crampy. Oxypure is an excellent, safe choice. It doesn't lacerate, and the best news is that it's not habit-forming. Our main ingredient is a magnesium oxides compound, which means that the magnesium molecule also has integrated oxygen molecules. This causes the discharge of oxygen in the colon to help the defense system in a natural way, creating an inhospitable environment for anaerobic bacteria. Oxypure. It may help to detoxify and refresh the colon. It could help promote better absorption of essential nutrients. It could help prevent inflammation and bloating due to gas. It could help promote the growth of good bacteria while eliminating bad bacteria that could cause deadly diseases. Oxypure is an excellent support alternative for weight loss. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease.